Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's backlinking for SEO video, I will show you how you can create contextual DA94 harvard.edu backlink.
Perfect.
Now, before I get into the tutorial, I would like to share with you some upcoming memberships that we will have right here on YouTube. Teaching through testing, we will have a community-based testing group where you put in the input, we will run the tests, we will show the tests and the results to the members only. We're going to do teaching through testing, we're going to do backlink tutorials, we're also going to do group consulting sessions where I can walk you through and help you. Now, I want this to be affordable to help as many people as possible, but now let's get into this backlinking for SEO video. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's not waste any time. So along with all of my backlinking videos, you will need a temporary mail. So that's going to be the very first step. We will need a temp email. All right. So you can use any temp mail that you would like. As you can see here, I've used a lot of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the very first link, and you can look for these links down below. This is a DA 41 link, PA32 with 0 spam score. So we can go ahead and just sign in. We're going to create an account. So here we go. All right, so once you have signed up for an account, and this has multiple facets to this link that you can go ahead and create. Now, the very first and most obvious, a photo. Now, you can choose a photo if you would like. That's completely up to you. But for this particular instance, we're going to go ahead and skip over that. And we're going to go ahead and put that in now. All right, so after you're done creating the account, you will want to press this button here. Now, you'll be in your control panel after you've created your account. So once that's done, we're going to click on My Profile. You will then be brought into this screen. So on this screen, what we're going to do is we're going to edit the profile. We're going to go ahead and put our name, links. What's great about this site is not only are we going to get the profile link, but we're also going to include a signature, which will also, any post that we post on, it's going to include it across their site. So, all right, that'll be our signature. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and copy this, and we'll go ahead and add that inside of here as well. All right. Now, once we're inside of here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add some news. So this is where it starts to get a little bit more fun after we've created our signature. We've also created our profile. So now we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to do open in page, open a new window, and insert. All right, so now we have a do follow here on the page. And we'll go ahead and send. Now we'll go back over here. We're going to go to My Profile. And then as you can see here, now we've created some news. PA32, DA41. We'll go here, we'll do no follows are purple, follows are green. And as you can see here, so now we've created a contextual, and then if you would like to, that's just your news within your profile to do follow, DA41. You can also go within these small directories where people have posted, and the signature that you created that's contextual will also be do follow. Try not to spam this too much, and let's move on to the next.
Perfect.
All right. So before I get into the Harvard link, if you have a VPN or if you have proxy set up, whatever the case is, if you want to create multiple link types within Harvard, how I'm going to show you, might I suggest that you use this? So without any further ado, let me hop over here and I will show you this particular page. All right, so I want to go ahead and show you this link type. This is, as you can see over here in the left-hand corner, for Harvard University. And there's two things that you can do here, all right? First and foremost, you will be able to go on others' pages and you will be able to write on their page and bring back link types. But you can explore this page. I'm going to give you the link to this page. But what we're going to do in this is we're going to create an IP-based account, and then it's going to bring us a contextual link. So that's what I'm going to show you. But again, I'm going to give you the URL to this page, so you can go on here and you can make changes. You can do whatever you would like within here, but I'm just going to show you one way, because building out the links is the same for all of these pages. All right, so this is how it's done. What you're going to do is go up here to the very top. There's two options: talk for this IP, or you can click on your IP. So once you click on your IP, you'll be brought into this page, user with the IP that you're using. Again, if you're using a VPN or you're using a proxy like I am, feel free. What you'll then do is over here to the right, there is create. So you're going to create a user based off of your IP. Now, once you have done this, it's best to go ahead and just gather up some type of content for this tutorial. I'm just going to grab this right here. All right. Then we're going to come right back over here. We're going to place this inside of here. All right, so after you're done adding whichever text you would like, maybe put a citation in here, all you'll need to do is click on this external link button. It's going to give you this layout. Add your link here. So we're just going to go ahead and put in my link. All right. And then where it says link title, that is where you're writing your contextual part. So we're going to put, all right. So once that's done, you'll go down here to the very bottom. You will click Save Page. After you click Save Page, you will be asked to do some addition. So 47, 48, 49, 50. All righty. So we have, all right. So once we're done here, as you can see here, we have created a contextual backlink going back to our sites. But it is coming from harvard.edu. It will show in Search Console. So my name is Chris Palmer. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about backlinks, link building, SEO backlinking, really anything at all, please feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next backlink building SEO video. Have a wonderful day.